So this is Cosmic Red PlayStation 5 controller. It's a new controller and I bought it before I got this. And I also bought a charging station. This is a must buy accessory. I've seen many videos, people just place their controller on top of it. And my advice is, guys, buy one more controller, so when you run out of battery, you can just very easily just use another controller. So yeah, so we are gonna be unboxing these two things really fast. So we have a charging station and a controller. Let's unbox these two things really quick. Alright, so the first thing we are gonna be unboxing is a DualSense controller, Cosmic Red variant. This is how the box looks, and it has some design on here. One seal. Oh, this looks so good. By the way, guys, this is not actually red. It looks kind of like magenta. I mean, I think my phone cannot actually pick this color and has a pink tint. It definitely is magenta, not red. But it looks really good. I like it. So absolutely nothing else in this box. Not even a single cable. Now we are gonna be unboxing a DualSense charging station from Sony for PlayStation 5. Okay. Oh, okay. Why do you need such a big booklet for a charging station? And what is this? A free game? Nope. Scam. Okay, a charging brick. And a cable for charging. Okay, so this charging station looks like a PlayStation. Look at that. This is such a good design. But guys, this is all plastic. You know, it's all plastic. So these are the two controllers. This is white that you get inside the box. This is red. I don't know, I don't think I will buy another controller. But if I would definitely go for black next time. So these are the two controllers. I think I prefer this Cosmic Red over white. It's just too simple. White is too simple. So we just place them. Okay, so upright position, and they will just, there's no magnet, guys. You definitely need to find the spot. Yeah. That's it. This is a charging station for your controllers. Definitely a must have thing for your PlayStation.